Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a women's hat. I'll show you how to crochet this in two sizes. One is a child or a preteen size, which will fit an average head of 18 to 20 inch circumference, and you can also make it in an adult size to fit an average head circumference of 20 to 23 inches. Length is about 8 inches for the smaller size and 9 inches for the larger size. I used less than a ball of medium worsted weight yarn. It is category 4 and it's 100 grams. One ball is 100 grams. You'll need less than 100 grams. And I used two hooks. One is I or 5.5 mm hook. This is for the body of the hat, and for the band I used a smaller hook which is 5 mm or H. Let's start with a 5.5 mm crochet hook. First, make a slip knot. Instead of this, you can also make a magic ring. Now after the slip knot, work 4 chains. Join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. So as I said, if you know how to work a magic ring, instead of this you can work a magic ring. Then make a chain. So in the first round you'll be working 10 single crochets into the ring for the child size and 12 single crochets into the ring for the adult size. I'm making the smaller size, so I'll work 10 single crochets into the ring. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now we'll start the next round. Make a chain. Then work a single crochet in the same stitch. 3 chains. Single crochet in the next stitch. 3 chains. Single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th one. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet at the beginning. So for the child size you'll have 10 chain 3 spaces, and for the adult size you'll have 12 chain 3 spaces. Then make a slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, chain 1, and work a single crochet in the same space. Then chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Repeat around 5 chains, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. After the last chain 5, work a slip stitch in the single crochet at the beginning of the round. Next is round 4, slip stitch in the next 2 chains. Then chain 1 and work a single crochet in the same space. Then repeat 5 chains and single crochet in the next chain 5 space around. After the last chain 5, make a slip stitch in the single crochet at the beginning of the round. We'll start the next round, which is round 5 with 4 chains. This will count as double crochet and chain 1, and then work a double crochet in the same stitch. In the next chain 5 space, work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 5 space. Repeat this around. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to the third chain. Then slip stitch in the next chain 1 space and then work 3 chains. This counts as the first stitch, and then work a double crochet in the same space followed by chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same space. Then 2 chains. In the next chain 1 space, work a single crochet. Again 2 chains. In the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Repeat this around. 2 chains, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Here I have reached the end of the round. Then after the last 2 chains, work a slip stitch in the third chain at the beginning. This completes the round. Next is round 7, slip stitch in the next stitch and the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the same space. Then make 3 chains and work a cluster stitch in the next single crochet. Yarn over hook, insert hook in the single crochet stitch and pull up a loop 3 times. And then yarn over and pull through all the loops except the last. And again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Then work 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat this around. Chain 3, cluster stitch in the next single crochet. Then 3 chains, single crochet in the space, in the chain 1 space between the double crochets. After the last chain 3, work a slip stitch in the first single crochet at the beginning of the round. Next is round 8. Work 3 chains, which counts as the first stitch, and then work a double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and then 2 double crochets in the same stitch, then chain 2, single crochet in the next cluster, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next single crochet. Repeat this around. Chain 2, single crochet in the next cluster, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next single crochet. Finish the round by joining with a slip stitch to the third chain. In the next round, we'll be repeating round 7, slip stitch in the next stitch and in the next chain 1 space, and then chain 1 and single crochet in the same space, then chain 3, cluster in the next single crochet. So we'll be repeating rounds 7 and 8. So repeat the last 2 rounds, that is rounds 7 and 8, until you reach a height of about 7 to 7.5 inches for the smaller size and 8 to 8.5 inches for the larger size. You'll finish with a repeat of round 7. So this is my smaller size. The height is about 7 inches. Okay, now we'll work the band. I'm using the 5 mm crochet hook for the band. Chain 1 and work a single crochet in the same stitch, and then work 2 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next cluster, and then 2 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochets in the next chain 3 space. Repeat this around, working 2 single crochets in each chain 3 space and a single crochet in each stitch. You'll have 60 single crochets at the end of the round for the smaller size hat and 72 stitches for the larger hat. Now at the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet, and then for the next 4 rounds work single crochet in each stitch around. This is for the child size. For the adult size, you will work a round of decrease. So in the next round, work single crochet in 10 stitches and then a single crochet decrease. Repeat this around and you'll have 66 stitches at the end of the round. Then work 3 rounds of single crochet in each stitch. A return pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Cut the yarn off and weave in the loose end. So this much yarn is left over. If you wish to purchase a PDF version of this hat pattern, you can check out the description box or the comment section. I have left a link there. The circumference of the hat at the band is about 16.5 inches, a little less than 17 inches. So this will stretch up to 18 or 19 inches. If you want more stretch, you can use the eye hook, that is 5.5 mm crochet hook instead of the 5 mm hook. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please click the like button. You can also support my channel by subscribing to it, and also please share and leave a comment below. Thank you.